Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create nice RLC circuit diagrams. So you can look with me how it looks like after. We have nice diagram RLC circuit. We have nice equation and part of these diagrams. So as you can see, we can start this document with document class article. We will use two packages. First package is mathematic, math, and second package is circuit Tix. You can look at the documentation of this package and study how you can use this small parts and create nice diagrams. So it's very useful, and so let's start. We will begin our document with section. Section is, as you can see, another side RLC circuit diagram. So it's a simple representation of a series RLC circuit. So if you don't like to have this number one as a section, so only put star in and you will see. After we begin our circuit Tix, so we will start to generate this diagram or schema. So we will start as normal XY coordination system. It means imagine you draw some, you are going to in coordination systems together with this coordination system. So it's nothing special. We will go from position 0, 0 to position 6 and 0. After from position 6, 0, 0, 2 to our R. After we will go to L. And at the end we are in the C. So it's very easy, and you can combine your diagram which you'll need. After we begin equations, and as you can see, this is an equation with the label number 1. And again, if you want to, for example, to create a Tix this schema, for example, for R, as a unit is 50 ohm, what you need, you can look how I just create. Okay, we begin this equation I show you, and after we begin this this symbol, and after an induction with 0.3 Henry, it's only, for example, it's nothing, it didn't mean anything. So after we have a capacity of 15 microfarad, I hope I'm sure. And so you see how I just create all this PDF document in only a few minutes, and it wasn't heavy. So it was in Visual Studio Code, and you can look how it will be in a web browser. You can download this PDF document and print for yourself. So we can view it in web browser, for example. So close all your things and view in web browser, and it's like this. If you want to write this picture alone and after save it, so please use document class article, not article, but please use document class stand alone, and this document class, it will make for you only this diagram without any other section and subsection and so on. So thanks for watching. Bye everyone.